Hello everyone, this is Chris with Topographic, and this is one of the first vinyls that we made for the 2024 Land Cruiser. I just want to make a video because a customer was having some issues with this. I did initially do this install. I did 9 colors and took photos of it, and those are on our website. What we're using here is a printed vinyl that actually has air egress lines on it, so it makes it easier to install. I do suggest dry installs with this. You want it to be above 70 degrees. You want your hands to be clean, you want the surface to be clean, of course. For the dry install, you want to center it around that hole as much as possible. So center it around that hole, press down, and then you can basically stretch these ends out to the edge of the triangle. So stretch towards the corner. If it's nice and warm, like I recommended, you can basically change the alignment up by pulling it right down into that corner. I made this area nice and tight so that it covered as much of the button as possible, because that's what you're going to notice. That's what your eye will visually notice versus any of these outer edges. Try not to push these edges down until you're ready to do so. So stretch it up towards this corner. Just aim towards the corner as you stretch it, and then press outward. Be gentle so that if it actually tries to crease on you, you can push that out, aiming towards that corner right there. And then this last edge is pretty much in the spot that I want it to be, so that's good. And then all of this, it's not that warm right here right now, not like it usually is in Southwest Florida, but I'm just tucking it in because this piece is rubber and this side piece right there, that's rubber too. So I'm pushing it in, and if it's a little too cool where you are, you can get a heat source. This is a portable heat gun, so it's not that powerful. Or you can get a hair dryer. We're not talking about putting tons of heat on this. We're not saying get a blowtorch and heat this up. You just need a little heat, something that won't burn you, won't burn the vinyl. So there we have it, the dry install of the Topographic map triangle for your 2024 Land Cruiser. Find it on stickkerfab.com.